why are projects attractive? What I would like to do is to try and introduce ideas which are not commonly found in typical project management literature, project management textbooks. Here again I am depending on the work done by several experts in this field. The attractiveness of project lies in their association with both controllability and unpredictability. This is worth thinking about. Controllability and unpredictability. They are associated with something planned, rational and ordered, and at the same time with flexibility, change and adventure. This double identity makes projects attractive, but it also presents a dilemma to the project managers. This dilemma is more or less present in all organizations, all organizing processes where one has to strike a balance between freedom and control, but it takes on a particular character when it comes to projects because of their delimited and temporal character. Some projects are more controllable than others. Some projects are closer to adventure than others, but it is common for projects to give rise to expectation of both aspects, controllability and unpredictability, and this follows from the possibility of delimiting the project. One way of controlling a complex situation, e-governance projects are certainly very complex. The stakeholders are many. The number of citizens are, it is in this respect, e-governance projects are certainly different from projects in the private sector, most projects in the private sector, because the citizens whose needs need to be fulfilled are enormous in number. So this creates a new dimension of complexity. So one way of managing complexity is to break down the idea, the service idea, into smaller pieces or projects, each of which appears controllable. By organizing an operation as a series of projects, government departments are able to focus their attention on individual tasks over limited time spans involving specific people. Creating a project through delimiting a specific time, task and team may be motivated by a wish to enhance controllability. Projects may also be motivated by a desire to break with earlier habits in order to experiment, to allow for flexibility or to promote innovation and change. This point is very important. On the one hand, we are saying I might want to design or devise an e-governance initiative as one or a set of projects because I want to bring in greater amount of flexibility, controllability into them. On the other hand, I am also suggesting that the desire for creating multiple projects could also stem from a desire to break with earlier habits. Maybe I want to experiment, I want to try some new technology, I want to try new teams, I want to experiment with new ways of working, and therefore I am motivated to create projects.